Microphone not working in Windows 11. Here is how to fix it. In this video, I'll give you 3 simple processes or ways to fix this issue as soon as possible. First, let's access our device manager to update our sound driver. Right click on the start menu option here. Click on device manager. Now here, click on this button that says audio input and output. Click at this arrow at the back. Now once you click on it, you have different microphone here. So all you have to do is to update this driver. Doing so is very simple. Just click on it, then right click on update drivers, then click on search automatically for scan. Then if says the best driver for your device is already installed, close this. Then repeat this for all other drivers you have here, and this should fix the issue. And if this does not fix the issue, then let's try the second process, and that is very simple. Come to this button, click on this start button, click on settings. Now go ahead and click on privacy and security. Once you click on privacy and security, there, scroll down to the base of this page where you see microphone. Click on microphone. Once you click on microphone, make sure that this button is turned on. Microphone access, make sure it's turned on. Not only that, make sure that this one is also turned on. Let app access your microphone, turn this on. Now from here, take a look at all the apps you have here. Any app that you are not trust, disable your microphone from accessing it. I use my microphone on my WhatsApp and on sound recording system. Then if you scroll down a bit, you have this one that says let desktop apps access your microphone. If you use some desktop apps, then they are accessing your microphone. Currently, I'm using OBS to record this video, and you see that it says currently in use. It tells that OBS is using my microphone right away. So if you have any other device that is your microphone, you'll be able to have access to them here in this place. Now make sure that this button is turned on and this one is turned on. And if this is turned on and it's not fixed this issue, then let's try the third process. I'm sure this is going to fix it because it's simple. Come to this side corner here, right click on this speaker icon, click on sound system, sound setting rather. Once you click on sound settings, then scroll down to this input option. Under input option, you have different options here. You have this the currently microphone I'm using, and this microphone array. This microphone array is the one that is installed on my device, but I use this microphone, attached microphone. You have it here. So once you've done that, then make sure that the volume here is set to a reasonable length so that when you speak, you have access to what it happens on your device. So with these 3 settings, guys, you should be able to fix microphone not working on your Windows 11 PC. If you're able to do that, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you soon, guys, on our next video.